If yung product mo, you don't feel like you're really serving someone, it's hard to sell. It's hard to sell it. You feel like you always have to convince people. People are not stupid. You are in a business of serving humanity. Parang ang bigat, ano? Serving humanity. Ano yan? Mother Teresa ba yan? Right? Parang serving humanity. Again, guys, we are in a business of serving and helping people, period. If yung product mo, you don't feel like you're really serving someone, it's hard to sell. It's hard to sell it. You feel like you always have to convince people. People are not stupid. You can feel if someone is just trying to make money on you. Am I right? You can feel it. Especially sa face-to-face, even sa phone. Maririnig mo eh. But you can feel also that if a business is sincerely would like to help you. Tama po ba? People are not stupid. So you must come from, I would like to serve humanity. But say, Sir John, grabe, humanity na yan. Change of the world po ba yan? Ano pong gagawin natin dyan? I'm not saying you change the world like the entire world. You start with changing one person's world. 2, 3. Start with small. You don't have to change like to have an impact in this world. Sabi nga ni Steve Jobs, a dent lang. A dent on this earth. A dent should be good. That's the thing. And last workshop, I mentioned about this. Kung meron kayong pampakulay, was it Jobos po ba ang tawag natin doon? Pampakulay. Jobos ba? Right? Kasi sa isang pakete ka ng Jobos. Kulay red. Pag tinapon mo yung Jobos sa dagat, maybe a portion ng dagat magkukulay, but that's it. Pero pagka yung red na Jobos, tinapon mo sa swimming pool, that entire swimming pool may turn red. So what I'm trying to say is just change that small market, community that you can serve. You just pick one small. Whether is it mga work from home moms, whether parents with ADHD yung kids nila, or are these OFW na nasira yung relationship dahil magkahiwalay sila, long-distance relationships? Pick your market. Start with that, and that's all. You don't need millions of followers. You don't need thousands of likes and comment that you're getting validation from people, that you start to feel good. Oh, ang daming nag-like ng post ko. Dami nag-comment. Uy, ang dami ko ng followers. Uy, meron akong 100,000 YouTube subscribers. You're missing the point. You're missing. That's like ego-driven. Start with 1 people, 2 people, 3, 4, 10 people. Serve them. Serve them. That's the only time people will naturally give you money. United States, they've been selling every year 12 billion paper clips. 12 billion po ang nabibenta nila every year, United States, America, USA alone. You can say, okay, I'm gonna serve the big market, right? Small, but I'm gonna serve the big market. Or you can, this one, 18K karat gold, they sell it for $1,500 sa paper clip. Sino po dyan rito handang bumili ng almost 75,000 pesos na paper clip, takasang kamay? 18 karat gold po na paper clip. What are they trying to do? Well, they just serve humanity, but you have to pick. Either you're the one who's selling to 11 billion, or they just need a few. But the point here is you pick your war. Do not say, I'm gonna help every Filipino sa kanilang personal finance. That's the challenge. Dahil hindi naman most Filipinos, they don't feel they need it. You have to pick your market. Who are these small market that I will serve, right? And I will be the leader of these people. I'm gonna lead them.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.